credit management, building and maintaining good credit. Welcome back to our financial management series. In this episode, we'll be discussing credit management, including how to understand credit scores, ways to improve your credit score, and tips for responsible credit card use. Your credit score is a key factor in your financial health. It's a numerical representation of your creditworthiness and is used by lenders, landlords, and other financial institutions to determine whether or not to lend you money or offer you credit. A good credit score can help you secure lower interest rates, better loan terms, and even qualify for higher credit limits. To improve your credit score, it's important to understand what factors impact it. Payment history, credit utilization, length of credit history, types of credit, and recent credit inquiries are all taken into account when calculating your score. By paying bills on time, keeping credit card balances low, maintaining a mix of different types of credit, and limiting new credit applications, you can improve your score over time. Responsible credit card use is also an important aspect of credit management. By using your credit card wisely and paying your balance in full each month, you can avoid accumulating debt and damaging your credit score. It's important to choose a card with a low interest rate and rewards that fit your spending habits. In addition to using credit cards responsibly, it's also important to regularly review your credit report for errors and inaccuracies. By disputing any errors or fraud on your report, you can ensure that your credit score accurately reflects your creditworthiness. Managing your credit is an essential part of financial management. By understanding credit scores, improving your credit score, and using credit cards responsibly, you can build and maintain good credit. We hope this episode has been helpful. And if you found it useful, please subscribe to our channel for more videos on financial management. In the next episode, we'll be discussing the importance of setting financial goals and creating a plan to achieve them. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.